Welcome to the final vlog of our Georgia road trip series. Today, we embark on a journey to the heart of Caucasus Mountains, Kazbegi, where the towering peaks, serene landscapes, and breathtaking viewpoints will leave you enchanted. As we make our way back, we pause at Mtsketa, Georgia's ancient capital and the spiritual beacon. We end our trip where we began, the capital city of Georgia, Tbilisi.
So our first stop for the day, Zin Valley Reservoir. I got the name.
Hope so.
Something like that. It's very difficult to pronounce, but yeah, something like Zin Valley, and that's how it looks. थोड़ा ग्रे ग्रे पानी लग रहा है, mostly I guess because of the shadow the mountains are casting on it, but nonetheless अभी temperature okay है, एक स्वेटर में निकल जा रहा है, but I'm hoping, I'm expecting, I'm not hoping, I'm expecting the temperatures.
We should hope that it should be not that less as we have researched. We have seen that it's almost -7 in Gadori and Kazbegi.
Okay, so my expectations are it will be -7, but I'm hoping for it to be warmer so that we can enjoy and take you there. See you. The second stop of the day, थोड़ा पास में ही था, Ananuri Fortress. So now we'll just explore this fortress for some time before we start again for Gadori. Okay. So as you can see, that's the main cathedral of Ananuri complex, and we are done here. We'll be soon off to Gadori and Kazbegi. Hopefully we can finish today.
Yeah, so this was a very small complex and we finished it within 10 minutes. But it's really beautiful and the views are very nice. We can see the reservoir from here as well.
So we are at our next stop. This is an unplanned stop. यहाँ पे we saw a very beautiful sangam of two rivers. Both of the rivers are named Aragvi, and यहाँ पे वो संगम के बाद भी Aragvi होता है. But the difference is that here one river tributary is called White Aragvi and the other one is the Black Aragvi. Or the reason of this difference in color is very interesting. Black is because of the organic material it carries and this amount of silt it carries, while the white is due to the presence of limestone. After a lot of hurdle, रास्ते में काफी stops, checks and all that, we are finally here. The Gadori, Georgia, Russia Friendship Monument. एकदम स्विट्जरलैंड है. We didn't expect it to be this cold when we were coming from Delhi. But after seeing the storms we have in the past few days, पता था कि यहाँ पे स्नो होने वाला है. बट कूडोस टू जॉर्जियन गवर्नमेंट. रास्ता बहुत अच्छे से खाली किया इन लोगों ने. चेकिंग बढ़ा दी है. थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है आना, बट नॉनदलेस इट्स सेफ, एटलीस्ट सेफर देन हाउ आई वुड हैव एक्सपेक्टेड दिस टू बी. एंड जस्ट वाओ, क्या व्यू है यहाँ पे. इसके पास ज्वारी पास है, दैट्स द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट फ्रॉम हियर. आफ्टर दैट देयर इज नो हाई पॉइंट. वी विल गो डाउन टू काजबेगी. सो वी आर हैविंग अ ब्लास्ट. मैडम, बहुत ठंड लग रहा है मैडम को. I'm just wearing one layer, but it's actually very cold. It's -6.
And I'll suggest everyone to wear 3 layers only because it's really cold over here. It's
and sunglasses भी mandatory है. एकदम ठंडे सफ़ेद बर्फ में the lighting is just too bright for the human eye. So we are wearing goggles, and I would say it's worth the risk we have taken today. Super excited. I don't know if you guys can see, but snowfall हो रही है. And it was Aditi's dream and expectation to see snowfall. Yes, it's like powder snow. एकदम, it's like flowing, like just like a dream. It's not heavy. It's just flowing like a dream. It's beautiful. So we came down from Kazbegi, Gudari, back to Tbilisi. तो हमको लगा since we are way down, we are down way early, हमको लगा थोड़ा explore करते हैं. So we came down to Matskheta. Matskheta, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it was the previous capital of Georgia in the kingdom days, obviously. So yeah, it's a small, quaint little town, but very charming indeed. And हम यहाँ पे अभी कुछ monasteries देखेंगे and hopefully have a good time till evening, and then we're back to Tbilisi, and it will be the last day of our Georgia trip. Thank you for being with us. This is the second time we are trying wine ice cream in a little different form factor. इधर slurpy, softy kind of form factor है. हमने पहले रुस्तावली एवेन्यू में खाया था कप में gelato. That was lovely. It was okay, too sweet, but nice. After exploring the ancient beauty of Matskheta, we made our way to one of Tbilisi's most underrated gems, the Chronicles of Georgia. Tucked away on a hill overlooking the Tbilisi Sea, this massive monument feels like stepping into the forgotten world of giants. The structure was started in 1985 but still remains unfinished, adding to its mysterious charm. The towering pillars depict the history of Georgia, with kings, queens, and biblical scenes carved in striking detail. If you're coming from Matskheta like we did, it's the perfect next stop. A powerful contrast between Georgia's spiritual past and its monumental storytelling through art and stone. तो अब हम आए हैं Chronicles of Georgia. दिन ख़त्म हो रहा था. It was very bright sunset, so we thought कि कहीं पे बैठ के we will take rest. It's close by to our hotel, and we are here. With this end our journey in Tbilisi and in Georgia. And tomorrow late we have a flight, so tomorrow we'll be spending our time shopping. So maybe we'll share some glimpses there. But yeah, see you in Delhi and then Hyderabad. हम अभी आ गए हैं यहाँ पे सल्फाबाद लेने के लिए. बहुत लंबा जर्नी था हमारा जॉर्जिया ट्रिप एंड इट्स ओनली गोइंग टू हेल्प अस रिक्यूपरेट. सो 120 लारीज पर आवर 1 घंटे के लिए लिया है. लेट्स हैव अ ब्लास्ट.